comment. Looks like I had the same problem. This is just so fucked up. I can't even tell you. But I wish I could say your name. I can't really say your name, but that's because I'm a dumb American, I guess. You have three of these, and then Java. And what that's going to do is that's what's going to do is going to give you code in the middle of this. So then you can put your code in. Let's see if I grab some stuff. So when you put your code in, it will look nice. See, look, Java, end. Okay, so then you can put test. Oh, see, you did try to do it. That's weird. Why I didn't do it? Huh. Well, I think it's because you didn't end with it. See, there we go. There we go. Now it looks really nice, right? It's formatted. I can see it. I can view it. I can understand it. The other way is just a little bit different. Um, Here, let me help you out here. All right. Anyway, you get the point. First thing, what you want to do is let's go to the parse.com. Okay, you come to this right here. You must sign in. If you're not signed in, create an app. Okay, so I'll create an app. Then I go create a new app. Here we go. Create a new app. All right, I'm going to call it Big Boy. Okay, so I created this app. So now inside this is the trick. You have a quick start. You want data just like you wanted, mobile, Android. Okay, here's the deal. You got to get native, and this is the most important thing. New project. So download this blank Android project. Okay. Once you've downloaded this blank Android project, I have a couple screens, so I'm going to pull this to the side. You're going to grab this project right here, and you're going to stick it somewhere where you put all your other projects. So let me show you. C drive, OSO, crap. All right, so then I'm going to put this right here, make a new one, and call it, I don't know, we're going to call it Big Boy. Here's Big Boy. Take everything in here. I put it in here, huh? Okay, and then put it in here. Okay, and then what you do is you grab Android Studio, go File, Close, or you can open. Do it the close way too. Open. Then you gotta find the stupid thing. Okay. Big Boy. Oh, look, Gradle's starting. All right, here's Big Boy, right? So then what you need to do is you need to look through, there's a couple things, and you need to compare the project that you're going to be doing. So you have one project, which is Big Boy, which is the parse.com stuff. Then you have to make another project. So you go File, New, Project. The reason being is because we're going to compare the two projects. So let's call this whatever your project name is. I called it Ribbit. Let's call it Ribbit 3 or 4. Let's call it Ribbit 69 because I have a bunch of them. Okay. So then I go next. Okay, I want API 15. Great. I love this. Go next. Okay. Oh, this is the screen. Remember we were talking about fragments and trying to get a lot of people just grab the blank activity or the empty activity, which is, that's what I did at the beginning and went all the way down this. It doesn't work. What you want to do is you want to grab a tabbed activity. Click next. Okay, just keep it the same name. Some people change it, whatever you want. Click finish. Okay, now the next project will come up. Okay, once you've done this, then you have to make sure that this parse.com thing works. Back to Big Boy, open up your project, open up the Java. Here we go, the starter application. Remember we had to create in the video we had to create this parse.com stuff. Well, it says right here, add your initialization code, right? So let's go back to Big Boy. All right, here's Big Boy. So here we go. We got unzip the parse project, did that. Now open it, did that. Select the build Gradle in the root parse. Okay, so let's do what it says. Here, this is the wrong build Gradle. We want the app build Gradle, which is this one. Remember, you must be displayed in the Android look. Okay, remember, you have to go here and you have to go Android. Okay. So here's the compilers. Here's all the stuff for parse, okay? So Okay, so we did that. So make sure that everything is working in parse. We got that. Okay, so then it goes, take this right here. This is your server code. And let's place this in your starter application right here. It says, add your initialization code here. Replace it with this. Bam. Okay. Then go back to here. It says test the SDK. So you have to grab all this right here, Control C, and you're going to place it right here, like this. So then you're going to do Alt Enter. Okay, look, boom, everything works. Now, run the app. Four spaces it doesn't like. Great old build running. Mom, my grandma works faster in this. It's got to pull up my stupid freaking thing. My emulator. Working. It's just fucking taking days. It's because I'm coding or doing a video at the same time, which I should have thought of before I started this thing up. But anyway, we're gonna get there. Come on, turtle. Yeah, I know. Has it stopped? Hey, try that again. Be a lot quicker this time. It says right here, great old build running. Tells me. Boom. Hello world, right? Now we go back to parse.com and we go test. Congratulations. So you've got an object back. So you know that this is working. Okay. We know that this project's working. Now let's combine it with our old project. So that one. Here is the project that we're working with, right? Ribbit 69. All right. Thing we had to do was create a Ribbit application. New Java class and call it Ribbit application. Is that what it was called? Let me double check. Yep. All right, create a Ribbit application. Boom. Okay, so this is where the parse stuff is going to go. Big boy. Okay, so the parse stuff right here. Copy. All right, so then we're gonna have a bunch of red errors like this. Which I should have done is made sure the Gradle was built, right? So we go to the app, okay, and look, there's no parse.com. I wonder why there's this thing is red flags. Okay, makes sense now. All right, so let's go there. Gradle, wrong one, and you have to grab these two things right here. All right, now it's going to say the sync now. So what you're doing is you're grabbing all the stuff from parse.com. You're grabbing all the nuts and bolts. See, nuts and bolts to your application. Look at this. I bet you this is going to work now. Alt plus enter. Import class. Boom. Import class. Boom. Keep importing the class. Boom. You got it. Okay, so you know that this is working. Okay. We have to check and see if there's anything else that's different. So we have these on create option menus. No. On selected, bunch of crap. On create. Now this thing right here, anything that has to do with parse analytics, you probably should grab, right? So let's grab this. Now where was it? It was on the on create, correct? There we go. Okay. So this toolbar is all this new, this is all the new stuff. Look at, we got the on create on selected items. Let's see, anything else that we need to know? All right, now we're back to this. Let's start it and test it. So let's go back to our main activity. Come on. There we go. Okay, what are you going to get? Hello world again, which is fine. And this is what we want. Okay, it stopped. That was because I didn't close the program. Oh, yeah. And that's because of this crap. Just rim that out. Rim that out, and it should work. Hmm. Ah, there we go. So then you got from section 1. You're able to have fragments. See, fragment main. And if we go to parse.com, so we go to test again. Congratulations. Okay, foo bar. Let's make sure that this is actually coming from this application. You go back here and you say call it foo bar. Okay. .com. Huh. Hmm. So it's not working. What did I grab differently, huh? All right. Well, let's try. Okay, we had foo bar bar bar. What happened 12 minutes ago? Oh fuck. Hopefully I'm back.